is Anushka Man and I welcome you all to French One Stop. So today we are going to learn about one more irregular verb, which is avoir. Avoir, which means to have. I have, you have, they have, to have something. So let's get started. First of all, let us learn the conjugation of avoir. Now avoir is an irregular verb, so it does not follow any rules for conjugation. You just have to learn the conjugation. And just like être verb, it is extremely important. So it's very important that you go through this video carefully and then learn the conjugation of avoir by heart. So let's get started. J'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. Répétez après moi, repeat after me. J'ai, I have, tu as, you have, il a, he has, elle a, she has, nous avons, we have, vous avez, you have, ils ont, they have, elles ont, they have, which is feminine plural. So let us do some examples. Suppose if I want to say, I have a gift. I have a gift. I will say, j'ai un cadeau. J'ai un cadeau. I have a gift. Suppose I say, they have a good idea. I will say, ils ont une bonne idée. Ils ont une bonne idée. They have a good idea. Now the most common usage of avoir verb that you will see at most places is when you want to tell someone your age. If someone asks your age in English language, what do you say? That, for example, I am 21 years old. I am 21 years old. So you will think that maybe we'll use the être verb over here, which means to be. But no, that's not how we do in French language. Instead, we use the avoir verb. Suppose if I want to say, I am 21 years old. So I will say, j'ai 21 ans. J'ai 21 ans. Ans means years. And 21 is 21. I hope you remember the counting that we had done in the previous videos. So you see, I have used the avoir verb to tell my age. Suppose if someone asks you, quel âge avez-vous? Quel âge avez-vous? What age are you? So what will you say? You will say, j'ai dash ans. J'ai dash ans. In the dash you fill the number of years. Similarly for other people also. Suppose if I want to say, he is 10 years old. I will say, il a 10 ans. Il a 10 ans. He is 10 years old. So I hope now you have a basic idea how avoir verb is used in the French language. It is again a very important verb in French language. It is important that you learn the conjugation of this verb and understand its working. So see you in the next video. Au revoir.